But as far as these junior panels are concerned, the panels where hundreds of people are taken on panel and matters are assigned to them by some kind of a roster or otherwise, there at least the appointment to the panel should definitely be only by open merit. And this will also ensure that young lawyers, especially the first generation lawyers, who don't get so much of an opportunity to get matters on their own, who don't know how to get matters of their own, because of not getting enough matters of their own, are unable to establish themselves, will get an opportunity to participate in the selection process for the panel. And if selected, they get sufficient exposure in this litigation. And this also will help a lot the young lady members of the bar, because we have seen that legal profession and politics are the two professions in this country which are still male bastions. And the reason why women have not done so well is also, one of the reasons why women have not done well in politics is also because in the panels, etc., also mostly these young boys and girls are taken on the basis of nepotism and favoritism. And if it were to be opened up to be taken on merit, then I'm sure a lot of young girls who are coming into this profession would be able to make it and would be able to shine in the profession and grow. Because if it is not opened up like this, then we are actually depriving the meritorious of the people coming in this profession from an opportunity to get matters which give them the opportunity to grow in the profession. Because otherwise, a lawyer who comes without any backing and without a panel, unfortunately does not get enough briefs in his initial years, and because of not getting sufficient briefs, doesn't get that kind of exposure to litigation. And getting into a panel is a very important way of getting exposure to a diverse kind of matters and to grow in the profession. In fact, that is why I say, when I go to these law colleges, I tell these youngsters that you must try and get into doing legal aid work, because that is one way you can learn, and you may not be earning much, but at least you'll get that exposure. You'll know what is court craft. You'll know how drafting is being done. As a young lawyer, normally people will not trust you in this profession. But if you work hard as a legal aid lawyer, or do free legal aid work, and if you are ultimately doing even some good work in that legal aid work, you will get noticed and you can then grow in the profession. So I think this panel issue is a very important issue for the future of the litigation in this country.